Bernina 335 and 325. Our video tutorial explains combi mode and memory. Combi mode is used to combine letters and decorative stitches. To stitch out a name, select the corresponding font in the alphabet folder. Enlarge the window for a better overview. Upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters are available. Letters can be deleted and inserted after the marked position. Select the arrow again to minimize the window. The number of the entered stitch patterns and the current position are displayed. If the combination is to be sewn out once, select the entire combination in Edit. The entire combination is now active and displayed in blue. It can be deleted, mirrored, and the pattern repeat can be set. Pattern repeat up to 9 is possible and is displayed on the screen. Stitch patterns can be added by scrolling to the corresponding position using the arrow keys. Alternatively, select Pattern Begin and then press the up arrow key again so that the field is dark gray. Select the desired stitch pattern. It will be inserted after the selected position. If the combination is to be saved permanently, select the personal folder and Save and Confirm. At sewing start, securing stitches can be added temporarily to secure the seam beginning. Embellishing or personalizing fabrics is a piece of cake. Before another combination can be entered, the current design must be deleted. Select the whole combination in Edit to delete. Now a new combination can be entered. Individual patterns can be deleted by swiping to the side. Interesting combinations can be created using the mirror image function. To return to sewing, you must exit the combi mode. Otherwise, the selected stitch will be added to the combination as a single stitch.
Bernina, made to create.